We've prepared the new solder pad and completed continuity testing. Now we move on to the critical fixing process. Power on the soldering iron and let it reach working temperature. Then apply a small amount of solder to the tip to ensure efficient heat transfer. And ensures efficient heat transfer when fixing the new pad. This helps improve control and consistency during the soldering process. After tinning the pad, use a multimeter to retest the pad's continuity. This confirms a stable electrical connection before proceeding. Evenly apply a small amount of flux to the damaged pad area. Flux helps prevent oxidation and promotes smooth solder flow and strong adhesion. Carefully place the trimmed pad onto the designated area, aligning it precisely with the original solder pad position. Use a hot air gun to gently heat the pad, allowing it to firmly bond with the PCB without affecting nearby components. Once the pad is fixed, we'll move on to lead pin soldering and functionality testing. Stay tuned.